All right, this right here is one of my new constructions. My project manager built that one. She got done a little bit before me. But that's not necessarily a bad thing. She set the comp. She set the comp at 335, I think. Yeah, 335. We initially underwrote this property to sell for 320. She sold hers for 335. I listed mine for 350. It fell out of contract. The buyer couldn't come up with the funds, and now the price is around 370 based on the price per square foot new construction is selling for. As you can see, all the trim is here. We got the trim mortar in. So all the doors and everything will be up. I'm gonna have to call my project manager and see when the guy's gonna get here and put all this up, because I don't like all this material sitting in here. This $6,300 worth of materials, trim material. So yeah, we're gonna put the granite countertops in the bathroom. The granite on the kitchen cabinets, granite on the island. Put all the doors up. Once all the doors up, they already painted, so they'll have to come back and repaint the trim, respray the doors. Then we put the floors down. Then after that, stair treads, stair risers. Let's go upstairs. Let's see what's going on upstairs. I almost fell. I'm glad y'all ain't see that. It don't count if you ain't see it. So yeah, this is a 4-bed, 3-bath. Little details on this. I got a private lender to pay for the lot, $30,000. Then I refinanced out of that with a hard money lender. Refinanced out. I got $18,000 of that back. Used that for one of the first waves of construction. A hard money lender gave me $135,000 rehab budget. I mean, not rehab budget, construction budget. And with that, I was able to create about $175,000 spread. Now, all of that is not profit because I got to pay my lender back, my private money lender back. I got to pay my hard money lender back. So let me shut this door. So yeah, so I got to pay all them back. And after I pay everybody back, then it's profit. Then you just got to worry about the tax man. So that's how I do it. Stack the capital. You got the knowledge, and you can do it too. And I always say this, man. You hear me say this on all my videos. If you do not have the experience, do not take anyone else's money. If you don't have experience, partner with somebody with the experience. Do you 2 or 3 of those, get the confidence, get the experience, and then you can start looking for private lenders. Because the one thing you don't want is, doing a deal and really not knowing what you're doing. And if you got your own money to play with, now do that, but not with nobody else's, man. Until next time, holla at me.